Oh, that's awesome that you're doing a lot of sort of. The only thing you don't have is the 3D flowers. That is awesome. You could definitely can take advantage from the special sales. And also, oh, talking about that, we've been like getting out a lot of the treasure bags. What's the flash sale this weekend? Which is when it's the sales end? Today? No, tomorrow. Sunday.
At midnight Central Time. And right now, if you order over $99, and after discount and everything else, and it's over $99, you get a free treasure bag from us, value up to $50, I believe, which is really cool. You get your discount,
It's like
get all the product you can, resupply, and get free gift.
oh my goodness, this is so exciting. All right, so I'm gonna get this one. The mystery, you don't have to add any mystery treasure bags at all. It's going to come with the order. If after the discount, shipping, and whatever it is, you are going to receive the mystery treasure bags.
So Nikki, currently we only ship to US, Canada, Mexico, and Puerto Rico.
Okay, I'm gonna do this one. This one. And that. I just do just a little bit. Almost putting it like more. Hey, if you want more, don't stop yourself from getting more. And add.
Hey, from YouTube, yes, we are live. This is the real live, this is not the replay. So what you see, what you get.
Thanks so much, YouTube fam. You guys amazing. YouTube fam is just so amazed. Alright. I am going to wipe on the edges to make sure that on the sides, to make sure that all of the extras, like the excess condensed glue gels and top coat, will not like changing the shape of the nails. Alright, Kia 46. I can add some centerpiece in here. Should I add some centerpiece in it?
No, it's pretty out of there.
If you're not stopping, I'm gonna do it more.